What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. Now in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 different ways I plan on making money while I sleep over the next year. And to be honest, I'm actually going to give you guys a 6th method, so that's going to be actually the bonus tip today. But like I said, some ways I plan on making some money while I sleep, because let's be honest, everyone loves making money. And everyone wants to make money so they can have great memories. Money buys you those great times, those happy feelings, all that kind of stuff. On top of that, everyone wants to have those times where they do not have money problems, where they feel free without stress. And how do we get those kind of things? Of course, by earning money, but also by making money while we're not also working for money. So like I said, I'm going to talk about 5 different ways I'm going to make money while I sleep over the next year period. And hopefully you guys can take these tips into consideration, use them to your advantage, make money like me, and hopefully that can set us up all for having a great future. But before we get into that today, please, as always, make sure you guys give these videos a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Show me that you guys appreciate these videos, these daily videos. Show me that you guys are willing to help me increase the views, get a little bit more popularity, help the channel grow a little bit, all that kind of thing. But of course, we can't do that without these likes. So make sure you hit that like button if you're not hit already below. That's one way you can make money while you're sleeping. Hit that like button. Also, please make sure to keep commenting. You guys do a great job with that, so I don't need to talk too much about that. Also, make sure to hit that button below. Subscribe to Money Management. I upload a video each and every day, as you guys know, about finances, about passive income, about making money, about all sorts of stuff. Make sure you hit that red button below. Lastly, but most importantly, please make sure to share these videos with your friends so we get them out to more people, help out more people, let them learn about money, let them become better with their finances, all that stuff when it comes to money. So the reason I wanted to make this video today is because I have made money while sleeping this year. And this year has actually been pretty good when it comes to making money, passively making money without putting in too much work. So I thought I'd talk about a few ways that I plan on making money over the next year period. And also a few of these methods I've already made money from. So you might be like, oh yeah, that's kind of cheating. Well, either way, the idea here, the aim here is to help you guys. So it doesn't matter if I've made money from these or not made money from them yet. Within the next year period, I will definitely make money from all of them. Apart from maybe the bonus one, but we'll see. That one's actually kind of up to you guys, so we'll see what happens with that. But without further ado, let's dive straight into it. So number 1, rental income. Now I know a lot of people think badly about rental income. They think, having tenants, having people live in a house is stressful, it's a lot of work, blah, 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 blah. Look, I've seen family members get rental income. I've got friends who get rental income. Rental income is one of the ways I've never made money from yet, but it's definitely one of the ways I plan on making money in the next year. So what is rental income? Well, you have an apartment and you rent it out to tenants. Now that may be just regular tenants who live there on a year-to-year basis, or that may be, in this kind of time, an Airbnb for you. You rent it out to people who come in every week, every 2 weeks, once a month, for the whole month. There are different ways to do this. Now, of course, when you have rental income, you're getting money from tenants and you're paying the amount that you require for them to live at said apartment. So, rental income. How much money can you get from rental income? Well, it depends, because it depends how many properties you have, depends how much you charge, depends what your occupancy rate is. Of course, there are many different formulas to this, but one way I plan on making money while I sleep over the next year period is rental income. Getting that payment the first of every month. Imagine getting that 1, 2, 3, 4 times from different tenants. That would be great to do. I think by the end of this year, maybe I'll have 1 rental property, which would be nice. By the end of next year, we'll see where I'm at. But one way I really aim to get money while I sleep without doing anything over the next year period is purely by rental income. So, of course, some of you guys out there have tried this before. If you have, let me know in the comment section what you think of it. Some of you guys will probably be against it. As always, let me know your comments in the comment section below why you're against it, what your thoughts are, what your feelings are. 2, run a subscription service. Now, subscription services are very good. And the reason being, people will pay for your service, your information, whatever it is, on a consistent basis. So that might be once a month, that might be a weekly payment, but most likely it's once a month or yearly. Subscription services are great. You can do loads of different things with these. And one way I plan on doing this is maybe having a stock kind of group, or maybe having a group where we discuss stocks, or having a group where we discuss business ideas, affiliate marketing groups. I have a few different plans that I'd like to execute on, but we'll see how it goes. But either way, running a subscription service is a great way for you guys to make money while you're sleeping. No matter what, people who are in your group, people who are in your section, they constantly pay a certain fee. That subscription fee will keep them being a part of whatever you have going on, and the great thing about that is, while you're sleeping, they're still paying because they have to pay on a month-to-month basis so they can stay a part of your great group. Now, I plan to have a great group and build it up over the next year period. I've got a few different ideas, like I mentioned, when it comes to flipping products, when it comes to different business ideas, a few different things. We'll see what I end up using, but running a subscription service will be a great way for you guys to make money while you sleep. For those of you who really don't know what subscription fees are still, think about it simply like this. Your Netflix, your Hulu's. You pay every month because you're subscribed to it. Same with maybe your cable box. You might have a certain channel in there, which a lot of people don't have. You're subscribed to it. You pay monthly so you can continue to get in that service. That's the same thing I want to run, and you guys can also do the exact same thing. 3, Timegear watches. Now, you guys don't know about this. It is my smartwatch company, Timegear, a product I sell. I built a website up on Shopify last year, and I just sell smartwatches. is pretty simple. It's not difficult. Many times I've made money while I sleep from Timegear, and many times I will go doing it going forward. A lot of you guys maybe don't understand how this works. It's simple. I buy a bunch of watches wholesale, different models, different prices, and all these watches have different features and do different things. But I sell these watches on my own website. It's perfectly normal, it's perfectly legal. You guys can do the exact same thing. But one way I plan on making money and continue to do that over the next year period is through Timegear. I started this in March 2019, so last year, 1st of March, and some of you guys have seen, maybe you haven't seen, but it is a great way to make money while you sleep. Now I'll just show a few screenshots on screen of when I've made sales, because it is not as difficult as you guys think. People will buy smartwatches, it's cheaper than an Apple Watch, cheaper than a Samsung watch, cheaper than a Garmin, cheaper than a Fitbit, cheaper than all those. And people will realize that it does pretty much the same thing, but for cheaper. So like I said, one way to make money while you sleep is do something like this. But for me, personally, it will be through Timegear, my great smartwatch company. And if you don't already know, the link is in the description below, timegearwatches.com, go check us out. Great smartwatches for all you guys, different models. Like I said, just go and check us out. I can't talk highly about it enough, but yeah, check out Timegear watches. 4, selling ebooks. So for those of you who don't know again, I have sold multiple ebooks. I have written about 9 ebooks between December last year and now, and these ebooks are on all sorts of things. Law of attraction, wealth, health and fitness, making money online. I've written ebooks on all sorts of different things, and I've sold these ebooks. Now, the way I've sold these ebooks is by advertising it, letting people know about it, talking to people, posting them in different groups, pages, just getting my word out there about my books. Some people have used these books, some people have liked them, some people have used them, they don't like them. But either way, something like an ebook is so simple. You write it, you might have to put in a little bit of work up front, but after a while, it's there and it's done. You can sell it on different websites, you can sell it for $9, you can sell it for $100. All of you guys have the capacity to write about different things. Some of you guys have wide knowledge about sports, some of you guys have wide knowledge about entertainment, arts, maybe the law of attraction like me. Some of you guys have so much knowledge and you just need to put it down in a book and start selling it. One way I plan to make money in the next year is continue selling my ebooks. If you don't already know about my ebooks, just send me a DM, write it in the comments below. I can send you a link, you guys can go and check them out yourself and purchase if you would like to. 5, affiliate marketing. So another way I've made money in the past, affiliate marketing. Also, for those of you who don't know, I have an affiliate marketing program for my smartwatch company, Timegear Watches. The link is in the description below. You can make money from selling my smartwatches. In this case, you don't have to have any inventory, you don't have to hold watches, none of that kind of stuff. You don't have to deal with returns, any of that. All you do is sell watches for me and get paid a commission. Many people have done this for me. Actually, I have 49 affiliates right now. I'm still looking for the 50th, so if you want to sign up, go ahead. The link is in the description below, like I mentioned. But affiliate marketing. I have a few different friends who have different courses, different guides, different ebooks, different products and services that I would like to affiliate for. Over the next year period, I will affiliate for these and I will make money from it. That's a great thing that I can do to make money while sleeping. I'll have a link to a certain website or a certain product, whatever it may be, so that people can purchase. And again, this money will be based on commission. I won't have to hold any inventory for those who have physical products. I don't have to deal with any returns for people who don't like the product. I make my commission purely off advertising, showing people the product, letting people know about the product, different courses, and hopefully other people buy from me, from the links I set up. And like I said, it will just make me some money passively. While sleeping, not doing anything, people will click on my link, people will purchase. You have to put a bit of effort in up front to advertise, but after a while, you have the link out, people know about you. And like I said, you make money while you're sleeping. It's a great thing to do. If you've not already done affiliate marketing in the past, go check out affiliate marketing. Now, the final way I want to talk about, which I plan on making money within next year, is YouTube. So YouTube. This one I said it would be a bonus tip because, to be honest, I don't really know if it will happen or not. I'm not too fast, but I'll continue to make videos anyway until the time where I feel like it's not relevant anymore. But like I said, YouTube. For those of you who are new to YouTube, what you need to do is get a bunch of subscribers, get a bunch of watch time, and all you need to do is feed off that to get that money while you sleep. Now, how does that money work? Well, you get, I don't know, $5 to $8 per 1,000 views, you need 1,000 subscribers, you need 4,000 hours watch time, but you need those kind of statistics and you start making money while you sleep. People will watch videos you uploaded 6 months ago, a year ago, 5 years ago, but you'll get money based on what people are watching while you're not doing anything anymore. Again, it's something which requires a little bit of work up front. It's not too bad, I do it myself, record, edit, upload. Yeah, it can get a little bit stressful, but eventually you can get money from it. Like I've told you guys many times before, my priority with YouTube is to help you guys out, help you guys learn each and every day, learn from my mistakes, that kind of thing. Not necessarily to come on here and make money. I've got a lot of other things I think I'm better at when it comes to making money. I'm not saying I don't want to make money from YouTube, but it's not my direct priority, which is why I put it in here as a bonus tip. But like I said, YouTube is there for making money. You guys can use your ideas again, use your expertise, use your knowledge, and make yourself some money. One way to make money while sleeping is purely via YouTube. The same platform you're on right now, the same platform you're using to watch videos. Go check out YouTube if you're new to it. Just set up a channel, you might make money from it. That's one way I plan on making money within the next year if it does become a possibility. I think I'm halfway there, so who knows? If I get a few bucks over the next year period from YouTube, a few extra bucks which I didn't account for, I won't complain. It's a little bit more money and that can't be a bad thing. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, let me know in the comment section below what you thought of it. We want to make money. We want to have great experiences, travel, see new sites, do that kind of thing. And without money, it's very difficult to do that. Add to that, while only working for money, it's difficult to enjoy experiences because you're thinking, hey, I'm only working for money, now I'm taking a break, I'm enjoying myself. I'm not actually making any money because I don't have anything to set up, which will actually help me make money while I sleep. That is why we make money while we sleep. So I've told you guys the ways I plan on making money while sleeping over the next year period. You guys can do the exact same thing. Just go out there and don't be scared. Tomorrow is Financial Friday. Make sure you guys are back here for that one. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys tomorrow for Financial Friday. Peace.